Well, just left Kroger's, just sharing with you a little bit what we got blessed with here. Pile of snow fell off the roof of the car. Now it's on the hood, so oh well. Snow is really coming down here. I know you can't hardly see it on the camera, but yeah, we're getting some inches for sure. The snow that we got falling isn't like a powdery. By no means. It's heavy and wet. But yeah, my paint and that, and hit Kroger's on the way home, and see, there you go. There's the snow. Well, it's really coming. Flying out of the west. We got wind out of the west, and I guess it's a kind of a good thing because we don't get that accumulation with the wind blowing, but always ends up building up in the wrong place though. Y'all got that much snow? All you Michiganders out there? Guess we're supposed to be getting hit pretty good today. I guess through tomorrow. They said through Saturday about 7 o'clock, so I don't know. That might change, you never know. You know how it is here. Don't bless us with no snow for Christmas. They give it to us all at once. That's alright. Really doesn't bother me, no, by no means, actually. It's just snow. I had to drive to work in this crap with a car, and so that really doesn't bother me at all. But anyway, just sharing with you, we got bombed. Visibility in front isn't the best. I don't know if you can see all that on the camera, but I'll share with you tomorrow what we get dumped on, what it looks like. A lot of people are going to be shoveling, that's for sure. Snowplows have already been out. They're all through the parking lot and the businesses and everything. Walmart and Kroger's was loaded to the gill. You get a little snow on the ground and everybody thinks it's the end of the world. I don't know. I don't get it, but I had to go get paint. That's the only reason why I was out. I decided to take those pop bottles back that were in the back of the truck. Otherwise, I'd be digging those out of a snowbank, so I figured why not. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let you go and catch y'all tomorrow. Hope you all have a great day. Hopefully you take it easy shoveling snow for those who've gotten snow. And for those who haven't gotten snow in our southern states, look at what y'all are missing. Yay! From Michigan.